Okay, Super Tuesday, 8th of April 2025, Zoom session, revision and review of what happened yesterday. All right, so let's bring you the charts for now. Okay. Now along the way, if you have any question, you feel free to ask me. Yeah, I'll be more than happy to answer you. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is what happened to the Dow Jones yesterday on the day chart. Yeah, this is what happened to Dow Jones. So we're going to go through it and how you should be trading it. All right, so first of all, yesterday the opening price of the Dow Jones was somewhere around here at 37,237. And then after that, it went downwards. It came very close to the pivot two, very, very close. And then what happened? It rebounded. All right. So after that itself, it went all the way up and break and cover the gap. So let's take a look at what happened on the minute chart. So this is what happened throughout the entire day. So it's a lot of movement. So I'm gonna go right into the detail, meaning go right into it itself. Okay, so let's start the day here. Okay, so first of all, the day started with there's a diamond here. So what we do is that we place a line at the closing price of it, and your stop loss you can put it either here or you can put under here. Now up to you. If you think that the first one is too near, then you put at the second one itself, which is here. Okay. So one is done. The first TP will be KTR, in this case, -2. If not, then -1. Okay. Now, the thing is this, the bar came down, right? The market came down, but you notice the KSI is green. So you don't need to take any, you don't need to, you don't need to be worried about this. You can still hold your position if you can. Okay. Then after that, gradually the market really on the proving of the KSI, the boys are buying. You see the difference is that, right? Traditionally, when the market is coming down, most indicator like MACD, stochastic Bollinger Bands, all be pointing down. So naturally, you will sell, right? But because of KSI is green and we have your diamond, which is supporting the market, right? Because you have your diamond, you have to draw the white line at the closing price. So you see that the market is heavily supported. So this is the difference between ours and other people. Other people, when the price is coming down like this, that they will call for sell. But because we have already have the baseline, which is the diamond closing level, and we have the KSI helping us at the bottom, that gives us a very strong indication that the market will actually be trading higher. So that is the reason why you need to have the diamond helping you. Okay, so once the market goes up and when the KDR was +1, +2, all is done, all is good. Then after that, what happened? A new diamond surface, right? So when a new diamond surface, what must you do? Same thing, follow the same way, draw the line. And once you draw the line, you notice the next few days, next few bars, sorry, the market stays above the line despite testing it itself. So that's another way to tell you that market is supported, yeah? But because the day chart, the KSI is red, so anything, any TP level, you should take profit. So after you purchase, you have to take profit accordingly itself. That is what you should do, yeah? Okay. So when there's a new diamond, you will do the same thing and so forth. Now this way get very interesting. Everyone take a look here. Okay, so this is a new diamond, a four diamond. So at the start, when the market is staying above the line, you can still continue to buy right here. Here you can still buy. But once it goes below the line, that's where you should sell already. And you can see after the market sold down, right? You notice the KSI is green in color. So what happened? The market tried to push it up again. But once it went up again, you notice that the market just cannot go anywhere higher. Yep, just cannot go any higher. So with that, immediately when you saw the market turning down again to red color, that's where you should sell again. And this time around, you have the KSI turning red. So this will be the best time to sell the market and bang, the price came down. All clear? If all clear, press number one right now. Okay, so very good. So after that, the market really came down and touched all the KTRs again. So same thing, there is a diamond. So you just have to draw the line. And if it stays below the line, you just have to sell. Then of course, if the new diamond appear, same thing, you draw. And if the market stays above the line, you buy. It's as simple as that. So throughout the whole day itself, right, there's no problem to trade in and out. As long as you see profit, you just generate and take profit. You just have to follow through the action. Now, do note whenever the KSI is with you itself, your lot size can be normal. If the KSI is against you, like this one here, this is a buy, but the KSI is red, right? Then you just trade smaller. That means that if, in fact, you can trade 0.3 after calculation itself, but you can trade 0.2 or 0.15 just to make sure that you keep yourself in the known that you don't take risks. Okay, so what happened to the Dow Jones? It was dangling around here. Then after that, there was a four diamond, and the market goes up to KTR plus three, given profit. Then this is where it gets interesting. There's a four diamond here. If you draw carefully and properly, you notice that the market couldn't go, excuse me, the market couldn't go higher and then do a CCYR, and wow, look at it, it came back down again. So that's why you see, guys, the diamond that we have is very unique. The way we use it is that we don't care whether up or down, we just draw. If the market basically cannot go higher, all right, cannot go higher, you come down by itself. If the market can go higher, it will go up by itself. Can you see that? So it's very simple. You see one diamond, one line, and that takes care of everything. And that's the reason why we are very unique as compared to other people. All right, all clear? If all clear, press number 2 right now. Okay. All right. Then after that, what happened? Wow, there's a diamond again. So someone asked me this question, Cal, diamond, one diamond and four diamond got any difference or not? Now, by right itself, one diamond is only the KCX turns from green at the bottom, then followed by a CCRY later. For four diamond itself, right, you need to have the connotation of yellow bar, KSI must be red to green, or KCX must be from blue to black or black. So by right is more powerful than the blue diamond. So that's why people ask me this question, Cal. If the four diamond is so powerful, how come you draw the line already, right? The market cannot go higher, then come back down, eh? Then that means you don't understand the word powerful. Now, when I say powerful means, right, by right, it should happen there. So when the four diamond appear by right, the market must go up, right, by right. But if the market don't go up, right, then by left, in a way, the market will sell down even stronger. So actually, you notice that sometimes the four diamond, after you put it in, right, okay, if it stays above it, it's a very strong upthrust. But when it's a four diamond, but it couldn't go higher, right? It's a very strong down thrust. So you ask me in the overall aspect, right? I still prefer to have four diamond over the blue diamond. But you can still use the blue diamond as per normal, just like how you use it. But usually four diamond will give me more assertion whenever the market do reversal. All right. So what you have with the blue diamond, you draw the line, and then you're done. And you see the scary part is this: if you actually, if there's no more diamonds at the back, right? So you all this, oh, there's one here. Okay, so basically you can see the market stays above the line, and then bang, that was where the news came in, and the market go crazy. And of course, what happened? You can see right now that there's a there is a four diamond followed by a blue arrow. Now, why got blue arrow? Because the blue arrow will appear on the candlestick that has above OP and above pivot 1. So one is above OP and pivot 1 for the first time, the blue arrow will surface, yeah? The blue arrow will surface. Okay, yeah? Okay. So that is what happened. Now, so what happened? We know the news, right? The news came in and the news came in, and then there was some saying that this what do you call, you will have a there'll be a tariff, there'll be a delay in tariff or a proposal to slow down the 90 days tariff and stuff. But of course, it was not accurate, like, yeah. We all know that it is a fake news, and the market immediately caught it, and then we have the very strong sell down. Okay, a very strong sell down. Okay, so now everybody, this one's going to be very important. You notice there's a four diamond here, right? So by right itself, you need to put a line here, right? Right at the closing price of the candlestick that has the diamond. And of course, straight away, the market go below it. So when you go below it itself, right, you know that the market is going to come down. And you see market really, really come down. So that's why when you have a diamond, you must always draw the line. Once you draw it properly, you should be able to use it and then profit from there itself. Right, all clear? If all clear, press number three right now. Okay, all right. So now you see trading is no longer to see. The thing is this, people ask, Kel, how come you don't have those diamonds or whatever, the top part then call for reversal? Why you want to have diamonds only? If you look carefully again, you see when diamonds at the bottom or diamond at the top, the way the reversal is the same, right? If you sell, this is a reversal. Then if you buy, you're buying on the way up. So isn't it very easy? You don't think so much, and then after that, it's sell compare notes. Now I can only tell you this: ever since we introduced the diamond strategy to all, I think everybody trading has improved quite a fair bit. Yeah. Okay. So now this is the Nasdaq. So let's just go through the motion and see what happened. Okay. Just give me a moment. There's a lot of messages coming in, asking me a lot of questions, and then I'm in class right now, so then wait for a while. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's look at the Nasdaq, shall we? So this is Nasdaq, the whole part of the day, everything was very choppy until the last part, that the outburst, and it pulled back down again. So let's go through the motion one more time for the Nasdaq. Same concept. You see a diamond, you see a four diamond. Now, usually you should say, oh, is it that now got four diamond and two diamond, one diamond combined, it'll be very strong. By right, it's supposed to be like that, lah. Yeah. So draw a line at the closing price. Very important. I tell you this before. Will say this again. I love to see when I have a diamond shape here, the market goes up and then pull back. Now, when you pull back yourself, if the KSI is green, you got yourself a big winner. Yes, indeed. So whenever market basically break the white line and then go up initially, then it pull back down, but the KSI is green, and if the KCX is black, it's even better. And of course, if the market can bounce off the line, that will be the best of the best of the best. Then this way you can purchase it and then bang, go for the kill. Got it? So this is a very important strategy. Just take note again. It's whereby the market breaks the white line. The market went up first, then it pulls back and touched the white line. And all this time, the KSI is green, the KCX is black. That is the best. Just like a little bit of elephant trade feel, yeah? Correct? Yeah. So got it? If all got it itself, press the next number, number four. Okay. So after that, what happened? The price went up already very nicely. And then there's a four diamond again. So again, usually people say, okay, got four diamonds, let's go and buy and pile on it. No, you should do one more thing is to draw the line. Yes, draw the line at the closing price. And you can see that's the reason why. See, the market initially got go up a little bit, the next moment pull back down. Right? That's not a good sign. And then after that, the market have a bigger red candle that basically covered the white line. Hence, therefore, you see the market after it's cascading downwards already. All right. So that's why drawing the white line is very important. Yeah. Okay. Now I know that I'm like a broken recorder, keep on repeating this, but if you really want to make successful money, you need to learn this. Okay, so what happened? Later on itself, there's a blue arrow. You draw the line, and that's where you go. And you can see that the market went all the way up very nicely to the KTR -1. Then after that, you have see a four diamonds here. Then you draw a line here, and you were probably expecting it will go like this higher, right? But instead, the market reversed straight away and bang, all the way down. So that's the reason why, again, although there are two diamonds here, there are two, this guy and this guy, right? But you see the outcome is different. One is go all the way up, one is go all the way down. Okay, this is the difference there itself. Oh, yeah. Okay, all right. So that's how it is. Then after that later part, the market had to come back down all the way, and you see the market breaking down. Then what happened? You have your diamonds again right at the bottom, and there's two diamonds within 5 bars. Okay, two diamonds within 5 bars. So what can you do? Okay, follow the same procedure, guys. Now, the thing is this, you ask question, Cal, should I put the at line here or put the line here? Okay, A or B? Everybody, tell me your answer. Should I put the line at A or should I put the line at B? Please key your answer right now, A or B. Okay, so the answer, A or B? Okay, the answer will be B. You put your line at B. Now, why B? Because remember, after you put here, okay, the market pulls back. Then if the next diamond come out, there's a new line, right? So the thing is this, you always place at the latest one. So you put it properly, you will see something very interesting. See, I draw across the board, yeah? Do you see now? Do you see something magical? The market really did that, right? The market just basically did exactly what happened on the Dow Jones earlier, whereby the market breaks up, pulls back, touches the white line, while the KSI are green. This is why I tell you, if you learn this trick from me, the next time you see this, you just have to buy it. Okay, put a stop loss where let's bring it to you. You just have to, oh, sorry, you can draw a line first. You just buy here, put a stop loss below here, or you put a stop loss below here. So this is your range, and this is your profit that you can make throughout later. Can you see that? So as long as you actually draw the line properly, you can actually know that what you can do. And I love this thing. I know every time when I see student of mine, when they draw the line, and then after that the price goes up first, they bought it, right? They're excited. Then after that, when the price pulls back and hit the line, they panic and they want to get out of the market. And when they do that, that's a wrong thing to do because the KSI is all the way green. That is something that you must remember this. So when that all happened, I will really buy a fair bit here as well, my friends. Really, I'm not kidding you. Put my stop loss here or here. Enough. So I will do that. And when the market breaks some technical level, oh my God, that is the best deal. So you see the market, right? When it outbreak, when it breaks here, all right, breaks the line, which is the pivot two, the next bar itself, it went shoot up. Okay, why? Because definitely many people put a stop loss here, right? Or put a stop loss here, right? Those traditional trader, they put a stop loss all over here, and then what happened? The boys just kill them all the way in. You understand that, right? If all understand this, then just key the next number, which is number 5. Okay, all clear? Very simple, right? So as long as you keep on repeating this, it's going to be very easy for you to keep on doing this. There's no need to worry about the market making money. Making money every day is all very possible. You can wait the whole day for a strategy like this, whereby you purposely go up first and come back down, KSI green, and you buy again from here, and that'll be good enough. One trade, one kill, I think for one day it is good enough. Yeah. Okay, so what happened? The market went all the way up, and then with the same storyline for that Nasdaq. So S&P will be the same. There's no changes in S&P. It's the same concept, and I will show it to you right now. Okay, so the S&P 500. So same thing again. There was a diamond here. Draw the line. Again, this thing happened. Pull up, pulls back. KSI green all the way. Heavy trade up. You see, first trade done. Done deal? Okay. Next one, a diamond at the bottom. Draw the line, and what do you see this time around? The KSI, the market turns red. That's why it sell down. And then a diamond again up here. Draw the line, and you have the same thing. Draw up, then come back down. Then at this trade itself, you may lost something, but don't worry. You draw the line again because there's a diamond there itself. Can you see a diamond there? And then you draw the line, and same thing again, as long as the market stays below the line, you just have to sell the market. And where can you go? You can go to KTR -2, -3, but it's a free flow all the way to pivot 2, which is 48.18, the level that I've been mentioning. All right. So after that, what happened, guys? You can see it going magical again. Diamond, all right, draw the line. You can see that the market went down for this time round and then pulls up again with the KSI all the way buying. So that's why again the price goes up. You see, I can repeat this so many times, the answer will still be the same. So that is why I say things is getting interesting, right? If you're someone you trade together with me. All right, so after that as well, we can see the same thing happening on the NASDAQ, S&P, that the market breaks up and the market shoots up and stuff like that. Okay, so let's now look at gold, shall we? Gold, yeah. This is gold on from this yesterday's gold. Okay, so what happened? Now, one thing that's a few things to take note. Okay, number one is below MLP, so the market usually is going to be quite damaging on the downside. Second, it is below the KCL, which is 3037. So this is where the thing it happens. The market pulls back down. Okay, and then after that, you will have the market coming down all the way coming down. All right, and it touches the pivot two, and it's basically because the KSI is red, KCX is blue, so the market is on to sell. But when the market reverse and go back above pivot two, that's where you should know your time has arrived. So let's take a look over here. So at the start of the day, you okay, hold on. Okay, so start of the day, we have the market a diamond, and we draw the line, and straight away the market sought and came down all the way. And you look at the tail at this price, right? The level 2062 sorry 2977. Yeah, keep on staying there, bouncing around at the pivot two, and that was a very classic buy signal because when the market go to pivot two and cannot go down, cannot close below, it's a very strong buy. And at the same time, you notice here there was some selling right on the market, but the KSI, wow, look at it. It's totally green. I mean, doesn't make sense, right? Exactly. It doesn't make sense. And that makes this system incredible. So that the market is coming down. I mean, the market came down from 3005 down to 2970. So down by $35. It's a lot of money, but then, usually, when the market cascaded like this, the market will turn right, but not our indicator. Our indicator call for buy instead. So what happened? So when the market basically goes up itself, right, it's almost sure I mean, this will hit this point, and this point itself is about 3005 level. All right. So it really happened. Okay, the market shoot up, and then profit was given. So after that, you can see there's a lot of green arrow bouncing around here itself. Okay, what does it mean, my friends? Green arrow, green dots is because there's a moving average is here. Can you see that? A moving average. Basically, it's only average and it touches the market, telling you that now every moment is a big or small market, right? Big market or down market. So not every time will be an up market, yeah? So that is done. Okay, so we are done on this one. Okay, so once that is done, let's go into further detail of the gold market. Let's take a look. First of all, what you do when you have a two arrows, you just have to draw a line and then you set across. So basically that's how you do it. So below the line, you just do CCYR, color change to red, yellow to red. When it's above it with the KSI helping you all the way, you just have to buy instead. Yes, just a buy. Yes, because the boys are helping you, the retail are helping you, and you are, buying this. So of course, this perk itself will be good enough to showcase. Yeah, very important. Okay, so subsequently, the market didn't really move much. Very sideways, very sideways, very sideways. Okay, so after we have a GTH hour kicking in, that's where things get very nasty. Hold on. Okay. 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 So this is gold, and you can see that there was a diamond here. So you break out, you buy up to KTR plus one. That's correct. Then after that, you can see the market coming down from down there. So once you have diamond, you draw across it. You can see the market have selling appear, came down. Yep. Okay. And then after that, you can see the diamonds appear, two diamonds. So same thing again, use the closest one from the right to left, draw a line across it. You will see that market telling you there's some resistance. So there's a new one over here. So the market breaks below CCYR. Once the market broke below CCYR, yellow to red, bang, 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 the market sold out. So again and again, this line can be utilized until the next diamond appears. Okay, the nearer the better, of course. Yep. Okay. Got it. Okay. So after that, there was a single diamond coming out, which is like this. I'm sure many people will freak out and say, okay, okay, maybe this will be the recovery trade and blah, blah, blah. You just have to place a line at the closing price. So as long as the market stays below it, you're all cold. The market will likely be going down. Okay. So that is the reason why if you follow the diamond, you can see that you can draw from the bottom, draw the bottom up, is, or you can draw, then you can draw it downwards. Ending is all possible because this is the yin and yang of the market, and I want you guys to, utilize this and make money from the market. So the last one is crude oil. You can see the crude oil chart, same thing, ding dong for most of the period of time. And then after that, it's at the move, right? So the first thing is to draw a line across it, right? Okay, then he also cross it together. So we have a very strong, very, very strong buy signal here. And then it went up. And of course, it's already Christmas. Again, this thing will be going sideways. And then after that, you can see the fourth diamond. Draw the line. Here we go. You can see the market shooting up because of the wild news. Yeah. Then after that, the market reverse. You can take some of your profit and then cut and take care of yourself. It's as simple as that, guys. All clear? If all clear, press number 6 right now. Right, so I revised the market for you, and I want you guys to really, utilize it, enjoy it. Just remember this, just draw the white line. That is the most important thing, yeah? Okay, Hang Seng yesterday gap down, open down. Now, this is something that I want you to remember. The opening price is 21,022. The closing price was about 22,500. So the thing is this, the market, when you open, you should expect the market to really, really come down. There's a lot of cutting losses, margin calls, and stuff like that. Okay, so that's the reason why I want to share with you when the market opening price is below pivot 2, right? You have to be more careful with the market with trade, yeah, so that you don't get caught by the market. Okay. Now, do you expect the market to crash down so much? No, lah, no way, lah. No one can predict this. You're predicting this itself. I mean, seriously, wow, it should be making a lot of money from the market. Yeah. Okay. So this is what happened to Hang Seng last night. Okay. Okay. Yesterday, the Hang Seng basically opens. Then we have the green dots, right? So it's either this way up or choose this way down. So of course I choose this way down, and now you can see it's really, really happening. All right. So if you need me to share much stuff. Okay, so you can see that over here, there is a blue diamond on top of it. So you just draw a line and then, wow, look at it. The market just sell, 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 because why? You have the boys all selling behind you. Okay, then after that, there's a very strong big candle, which obviously look like a reversal candle, but it's picked up by us with a diamond shape, right? So because of that, what happened? Everybody take a look. The market, you draw a line at the closing price, and you can see immediately the market traded below the line and bang, 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 bang. Can you see? Pretty cool, right? You just have to draw the line and you know what to do. And of course, people who doesn't know this will take some time, but we believe that in the coming future, everybody will be able to do that. Right, then after that, there's a diamond again, and then we just have to follow the instruction. I just have to be, uh, okay, here we go. Okay, so once the market stays above the line, you can buy, but you buy small. But once you go below the line, that's it. You don't need to care so much. You just go for the kill. Yeah. So that's how we trade for a living. Okay. So all is clear. Okay, all clear. All right. So let me come back to the next market. One here. Okay, so you can see that, yeah. All right, so after that, you can see the drawing, we put it in, and you can see the market really coming down. So it's very, very identical. Every time we trade, everything is all identical. There's something new here itself. All right, guys, so get an idea? Okay, so with that, that will be the end of today's revision. I just want you to go through this every day, and then we can trade with the market, and then we don't get ourselves lost. Again, the market will be very choppy. So for people who didn't watch this morning's Zoom, I really want you to do that. But I humbly apologize. Today, this morning, the Zoom, the last part was being cut off. After that, we have some issue with MT4. So the last part itself, I think there's no recording on that. I humbly apologize on this. All right, guys, thank you very much. I'll see you on Telegram soon. Bye-bye.